Okay, this is a short little video clip to show you how to use No Hands and how to install it on your laptop. You can see No Hands is a random name generator, and if I click on my screen or on my whiteboard, it just gives me another name of a student in my class. Okay, this is really useful when you're asking questions of the students. If you remember back to when Dylan William was here last October, he said that the one change that we should make, even if we didn't change anything else about our practice, is do not let the student who's got their hand up answer the question. Okay, all we do if we do that is we find out what the best students in the class know, and we don't find out about what the weakest students in the class know. And all that happens is the gap between the best students and the weakest students gets larger. So it's great. I use it a lot in my teaching, and here's how you can install it. If you go to Google and search for the No Hands app, then you will get to this web page, okay, where you can download a copy. It's free. Click the button that says download. Or if you're in the science faculty, then you can go to the science resources, software, and No Hands, and then there's a copy for you right there. The bits that you need are No Hands and No Hands classes, so copy that. I'm just going to put it onto my desktop for a moment so that we can work on it. If we click into No Hands classes, you can see how that's going to work for us there. Scroll down a bit, and here's an example. Okay, first of all, I'm going to need the class name for the class that I want, and I'm going to get that directly from my ISAMS timetable. So school directory, teachers, B for Baker, select my timetable, view teachers timetable. Okay, and let's say that I'm interested in this class here. So that's my year 12 physics class. Okay, and back to here. Paste that in. Okay, so that's the name of the class. And then I need to know when that class is during the week. And you can see that it's on a Wednesday, periods 1 and 2. Okay, so the day of the week is Wednesday. Okay, and the times are already correct, 7:55 to 9:15. Use that exact time format and it will automatically work for you. Then I need to get the students out of my class, and I can do that in ISAMS as well. I want their preferred name, and I'm going to export to Excel. Here we go. So this column is the one that I need. So just highlight all of the students in that column, and where's it gone? Okay, I'm going to paste in the names of my students here. There we go. Okay, save that. Okay, if you've got, you can put multiple classes in, and you put the times of day that you teach those classes, and then it will automatically select the correct class for the time of day. That's the theory anyway. Okay, so the now that I've made the adjustments to that, at the moment it's on the desktop, but where I keep mine is actually in my Google Drive. Okay, and the reason that I keep it on my Google Drive, there you go, you can see No Hands is there, is because if you know, when I take my computer in to update or anything like that, then I'm not going to lose the information on there. It's already backed up for me. Okay, and it will run, the application will run from your Google Drive. Okay, so if you double click on it, okay, there we go, it'll open up. And then if you right click down here and pin to the taskbar, okay, then it's always there. Okay, and it should open the correct class for that you're teaching. If it doesn't, just right click anywhere on No Hands and then select the class that you need, okay, and it will give you the correct names for that class instead. Okay, I hope you found this useful. If you need any more tips on how to use No Hands, or if you can't follow the instructions in this video, do give me a shout. Okay, cheers.